Hi viewers, today I am going to discuss with you about casinos in Goa. So many casinos are there. Among them, one of the leading casino is Casino Pride 2. Let us explore Casino's Pride 2. Hi viewers, now let us explore Casino Pride 2. Casino Pride 2 is one of the leading casino in Goa. Casino Pride 2 is a cruise where you will be taken from the ticket counter after collecting your ticket, paying 1000 for adults and up to 12 years for kids it is free. And after collecting your ticket you will be taken to the cruise of Casino Pride 2 in a motor boat. The motor boat ride will be a completely complimentary and people will be taken into the cruise with the help of a boat, motor boat. You can have the activities there. Along with the activities, you will be provided unlimited food. And while traveling, you can visualize this Goa bridge, Panaji bridge. In the Panaji city, there is a big bridge which is there on the Mondavi river. And here you can see the 7 colors of rainbow colors are on the bridge. This is the boat ride towards Casino Pride 2 and they carry you all the way to Casino Pride 2 in the boat. So this boat ride you can enjoy and they will take you to Casino Pride 2. Along with this Casino Pride 2, you have other casinos also, that is Big Daddy, whereas its cost is 3500 rupees per adult and kids above 5 years will be charged 1000 rupees, whereas Deltin Jack and Deltin Royal, these two are other cruise casinos which are there and their children are not allowed, but it is around 2500 rupees for adults and food is unlimited and drinks are all kinds of drinks are available. But in Casino Pride 2, this is the entry point to the Casino Pride 2 and this is the ticket counter where the people will be entering. After collecting your ticket you can travel towards Casino Pride 2 cruise. And apart from that, there are so many casinos are available on the river bank of Mondavi river. So these are live casinos throughout the whole 24 hours day. You will have casino. In Casino Pride 2 you will have so many activities. So unlimited dance programs will be going on and these are live dance programs which are going on continuously. So here the food is unlimited, food available till night 1:30 am. So after entering into this beautiful Casino Pride 2, you can watch the environment in the Casino Pride 2. So very nice and very good experience in Casino Pride 2. They follow all COVID rules. They ask you to wear mask and they ask you to sanitize with the sanitizer and they will allow you into the boat. So after entering into the boat, you will be entering into the cruise. You can visualize that entry point into the cruise. Very nice experience it is for all the people. So they enjoy the ride in the motor boat. So you can see the people are entering into the motor boat and they are going to travel towards the cruise. So Casino Pride 2. So similarly, Big Daddy is another cruise casino. Deltin Jack, Deltin Royal is another cruise casinos, and here they play all kinds of gambling games. Like I suggest you not to play all these games, so you will lose money. So this is the entry point, and this is the cruise Casino Pride 2 cruise. So there they are going to drop you. So other casinos, you can see the Big Daddy Casino. So on the river banks also you can see some casinos are there. So it is a very nice experience. You should experience this. People used to go there and they have their food, have some fun, enjoy the activities. So enjoy the dance programs. They enjoy drinks. But here Casino Pride 2, they provide you only soft drinks. If you want to have alcohol, you have to pay them extra. But in Big Daddy, so you have some options to have alcohol. So it is there in your brochure. You can have it. You can see, you can visualize all these things. You can experience even. See what a beautiful ride it is. People will enjoy boat riding in the river. So that 7 colors on the bridge also you can see. This will be glittering in the night. You can have unlimited food. Very nice and delicious food items are available. You can explore the environment. You can enjoy the night parties, right? And you can see beautiful environment and all. The staff is very good, and they very politely approach you. They guide you to different places. So they care of kids very much. So kids point will be there after having your food. Kids point, you can send your kids. So there are so many play materials are there, so your kids will be playing and you can continue with your activities. So kids caretakers will be available and they will be taking care of your kids. So this is the staff which is there, which will welcome you. So after having grand welcome, they will take you inside the cruise and you can experience so many things. So they welcome you with a soft drink and they will show you all kinds of activities. So you can play there, you can spend your lot of money if you like to play. So but my suggestion is not to play because certainly we will lose money. And on the Mondovi river there are so many cruises available. Deltin Jack, Deltin Royal, Big Daddy, Casino Pride 2, Casino Pride 1, all these are available. Apart from these, there are so many casinos on the river bank of Mondovi. So you can see the river banks while traveling. All these casinos you will be experiencing. So it is a very great experience. Have a nice time.